Hi, I'm Miss Ella, a teacher for Jobs for Delaware graduates, and I'm so excited to tell you about our program. JDG is a school-to-work transitional program dedicated to helping youth reach academic, career, personal, and social success. Our program exposes students to emerging careers and higher levels of education and training. Students who participate in JDG receive regular class instruction, credit towards graduation, leadership development, community service, personal enrichment, and access to internships, job shadowing, and work experiences. Jobs for Delaware graduates has been around for quite some time. In fact, it was designed in 1978 by 5 working groups drawn from business, education, workforce, the labor union, and community leadership. After demonstrating its positive impact on students, the program was replicated in other states, and now we have Jobs for America's Graduates, our national organization. JDG serves students in 23 high school and 14 middle schools throughout Delaware. We host various state and district events so students have an opportunity to interact with other JDG students throughout the state. Our teachers work with students to develop and achieve their personal, academic, and career goals. And how do we do this? By conducting assessments to determine your skill and job interests. We offer guidance in short-term and long-term goal planning. We issue credit towards graduation. We create job skill development and job shadowing experiences that you can learn from, then help you find a job to showcase your new skills. We'll connect you with the Delaware Career Association, where you can exercise your strengths in leadership, and then provide you with 12 months of follow-up services after graduation. JDG's curriculum begins with foundational concepts offered in middle school that progress through advanced concepts in high school. So in middle school, our students prepare to transition to high school. Then in high school, our students prepare to pursue higher education, enter the workforce, and get ready for adulthood. Connecting students to work is a major component of Jobs for Delaware graduates. Our team works with local businesses, colleges, and trade programs to develop opportunities that encourage post-secondary education and continuous employment for students. JDG offers real-world experiences to participants through our guided internships and immersive learning. This is through a program called CORE, creating opportunities through real experiences. The program combines in-class and off-site job readiness training through job shadowing, internships, and co-ops with partnering companies throughout Delaware. Students who complete the CORE program can gain industry knowledge, strengthen their ability to compete for jobs, college, and scholarships on a higher level, and build relationships with professionals and peers in their desired fields. So students, make sure you attend all of your JDG classes and events so that you can get the most out of JDG. If you want to learn more about what JDG can do for you, talk to your JDG teacher today. Goodbye.